Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Amazon Prime account. Here is how to enable it in a few simple steps. Step 1. Sign into your Amazon account. Go to the Amazon website and log in with your username and password. Make sure you are using the account for which you want to enable two-factor authentication. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, hover over the Accounts and Lists option in the top right corner. Click on your account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Login and Security. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Enable two-step verification. Look for the option labeled Two-Step Verification to SV Settings. Click on Edit next to this option. Follow the prompts to enable two-step verification, which may include entering your phone number for receiving verification codes. Step 5. Confirm your settings. After entering your phone number, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code to confirm your settings. Once confirmed, two-factor authentication will be active on your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Amazon Prime account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your contact information updated to ensure you can receive verification codes.